Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. They're going to be here real quick.
Yeah.
Look. Watch, watch, watch.
There they
There
are.
they are. Dinner. Look.
Oh
There
my
they
gosh.
go. Oh wow.
Oh man. I've got to get this
This
video.
is like a once in a lifetime.
Can't be zooming this anymore?
Huh?
Oh.
Well, that's fantastic video. We're gonna leave it.
Oh, there's the white one. Well, with tan black.
No, not quite.
Tan
The white
back.
one is like white.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one has a tan back. And there's a couple tan ones.
Oh, isn't this cool?
You bet.
Oh,
Oh
wow.
my gosh.
There's a big one.
There's one leaving.
Yeah, most of them are. Oh, wow.
Oh, that's so neat.
Have you ever seen them eat like this on a carcass?
Yes, I have.
Have you?
Not quite this close though.
Yeah.
Oh,
Or not quite where you have like 15 of them like in a ball at 150
oh,
yards.
that is so cool.
Look at that.
This is phenomenal.
This is just awesome. Oh,
I don't think they're terribly starved.